Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Christmas and I really want to do some more stuff. I'm going to make a gingerbread house. If you follow me on Musical.ly, which you should, it is Slay is my name. Slay _dot is dot my dot name. So that's my. I wish I could put it up on the screen, but I'm not a really good editor. Can you stop looking at? So I'm going to show you how to do this the easiest way ever, putting it in and taking it out. So the easiest way to do it, and I'm going to demonstrate with this, is when you're done and you want to put your Play-Doh away, you play with it to make sure all the lumps are out, even though there shouldn't be lumps. So you get all that gooey stuff out, roll it up, make sure it's almost like this size, little smaller than this indent line here, okay? So try to do that. I don't want this video to be too long because I don't really have much speed. So roll it in a ball and then do this. Then it's a little smaller, so then put it in the cup. Then the cap will just make it go down more. Ooh, then once you hear that snap, it's all ready to go. And I'll show you how easy this is. Wait, okay, so go around. And this is really, really easy to come out. And see how that came out like that? I'm going to do it one more time so you guys can see. And if you don't want to see what that had just happened,